Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver has made a low of around $17.5. Okay, and this is where we have seen a swing has formed. But if you look at this particular zone, there is so much of volatility we have seen, but previously if you look at this particular zone, it was moving in this range. Okay, the volatility we have seen since April of 2022 till now, that is quite high. Okay, why you can see this volatility has become so high? Because Fed was continuously increasing the rate. Okay, until now we don't know that whether and a probability is high that it can further increase. What situation was there, okay, which affected the supply, okay, as well as the USD dollar getting strengthened. Okay, that is where the price of silver we have seen so much of volatility. If we look at the chart before pandemic, we have seen that it is not that volatile compared to what we have seen now. After pandemic, what we have seen, there is a continuous upside. Okay, and once started making this particular high, we have seen a trend is falling. What this trend is saying, that whenever is crossing this particular zone, okay, it is making an upside as well as a fall we have seen. This is, see, this is a zone breakout happen, a fall we have seen, as well as this zone, a fall we have seen. Okay, as soon as this particular zone has come and it moved upside, we have seen it tried to go upside, but this is the zone where we have seen a good volatility. So before we move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can move in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, it can go towards a level of around $23.350. Okay, and if the price sustain above this particular level, chances are very high it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of around $23.750. Okay, now look at this particular chart. There is a cup pattern is forming. So I have already told you that after the price sustain above a level of 221.3, chances was very high it can cross that particular zone, and a probability of touching a level of 25 to a level of 26 is there, and it has already touched this particular level. Okay, now it is trading at a level of $23.056 and a swing has formed. Okay, and chances are very high if this level sustained, can go towards a level of $23.350 to a level of $23.750, and once it sustain above this level, chances are very high it can cross a level of around $24.050. that is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of $24.605. This $24.605 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of around $25.201 to a level of $25.293. Okay, this once the price sustain above 25, chance of touching 25.293 is there, and from there we can see it can go further upside. Okay, you have to understand, once the price sustain above a level of $24.6, there is on a high chances that it can go further high, and yes, there is on a higher probability that it can go further upside. Okay, now look at this particular chart. What this chart says, that from 2 weeks we have seen there is a continuous upside, but you have to understand that the market cannot move sharp rise or sharp fall till the time there is no big event is coming, or there is not a breakout happening upside or downside. Okay, always try to set your SL for a particular trade. Always set a limit for a particular trade, for a particular day, for a particular week, and for a particular month, so that your capital can be saved as well as your profit. That is very important. Okay, your trade can be wrong, but your capital should be saved. Okay, and that only can happen if you trail your SL, okay, or keep your SL, because every trade you cannot win or you cannot lose. So you should have the capital if you are getting a good trade. Okay, if you are not having a capital, then how you will trade if you are getting a good trade? Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain, what you can see that it can move further low towards a level of 22.6 $700, and if the price fall below that particular level, chances it can move further down and it can touch a level of 22.517. Okay, now once the price fall below 22.517, a probability of touching a level of 22.313 is there, and if the price fall below that level, we can see it can touch a level of 22.071. okay, and that is the low of this particular zone. Okay, and we have not seen since this level since second week of March. Okay, so chances are very high if the price fall below this level, we can see it can fall further low, and a probability of going towards a level of around after crossing a level of $21.991, because that is the level we have seen, that $22.112 is the low of this particular zone, and that is already being tested here. So chances are very high it can move further low, and chances of touching a level of 21.894 is there, and if the price fall below this level, we can see it can go further low, and chances of touching a level of 21.361 is there. Keep that in mind, that once the price fall below this particular zone, chances of going further low we can see, and a support at a level of 21.990 is there, and after that a support coming around 21.361 is there, and if the price fall below this level, we can see it can fall further down. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.